In this video, you'll learn how to enable two-factor authentication on Taskrabbit. This process will help enhance the security of your account by requiring an additional verification step when logging in. Start by navigating to the Taskrabbit website or opening the Taskrabbit app on your device. Once you are on the home page, look for the option labeled Account in the menu. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. After you click on Account, you will be directed to your account settings. Here, locate and select Account Security. This section is dedicated to managing your security settings and will allow you to adjust various security features. Next, you will see an option that says Activate next to the two-factor authentication feature. Click on Activate to begin the security setup process. This action will trigger the prompts needed to set up two-factor authentication. Once you click Activate, follow the on-screen prompts. You will generally be required to link your phone number or select an authenticator app. If you choose to link your phone number, make sure you enter a valid number that can receive text messages. This step is crucial for receiving verification codes. After entering your phone number, Taskrabbit will send you a verification code via SMS. Check your messages for this code and enter it into the provided field on the screen. If you opt for an authenticator app, you will need to scan a QR code displayed on your screen. This will link the app to your Taskrabbit account. Once you have completed the verification step, you will receive a confirmation that two-factor authenticator app accessible for future logins, as you will need it to receive verification codes each time you sign in. This added layer of security is essential for protecting your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.